In today's fast-paced digital world, where every click, swipe, and tap counts, personalization has started becoming foundation of successful digital commerce. From tailored product recommendations to customized shopping experience, businesses are leveraging personalizations to connect with customers on deeper level and driving engagement like never before. But what exactly is personalization in digital commerce? At its core, personalization is about delivering relevant and meaningful experiences to individual customers based on their preferences, needs, behavior, and demographics. It's about understanding the unique needs of each customer and catering to them in real time across every touch point of their journey.